Hello and welcome to the official tutorial of how to implement Sayollo SDK inside your project. First of all, we need to make sure that our project is compatible. Go under Edit, Project Settings, and go under Other Settings, Configuration, and make sure that our API compatibility level is under .NET Standard 2.0. Okay, once that is done, we should need to import our package. Go under Assets, Import Packages, Custom Package, and locate the SDK where you have been downloaded. Here is mine. I'll open it. Make sure that everything is selected, so click choose all here and import. Okay, just wait a couple of seconds. Alright, so here is how is the folder structure inside our Sayollo SDK. We only care about the prefab. Go under the prefab, expand the folder, and drag and drop the video player prefab inside your hierarchy. Here it is. It's for me. This you can set it up how it works for you best. So for me, here is -0.0001. Okay, I can see it. And also, let's say, okay, let's say if you want to scale it, I will scale it. So you can see that it requires me to be 16:80 ratio, and right now it's not that good. So we can go like this, and this is really bad posture, but you can fix it really easy if you wanted some bigger banner, let's say like this, and it's on the yellow one. All you need is just to go under the video player and go on the screen size helper and just click here, set to 16:9 ratio, and it will fix it automatically. Okay, for me this is fine. I will drag and drop it inside my main camera to be as a child object because I want to follow my camera right now. And that's pretty much it. I can save and just play. Start the game. And this is pretty much it. So video ads will be shown on this banner, this billboard. Okay, let's make sure if I don't want to follow the camera, I will set it up like this. Save the scene, play, and when I start the game, it's something like this, like the background is going to the left. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching and see you next time.